Ido is being carried. You're carrying
How
Aaron.
scared are you?
90%.
90%.
We're on the Atlantic Ocean, guys.
Oh.
We are hoping to arrive safely. We'll be on it for 30 minutes. Hopefully this is not a last video. We'll be safe. We are going to send it down from Gambia. Hi guys, we're just about to cross the border. Even in Senegal, our passport is not valid. They allowed Ido to pass freely without paying anything. I had to pay 5,000 sefa, but I just feel because we're ECOWAS, we should be able to get it for free. Hi guys!
Because of my lovely hair,
Yeah,
I did with the Oyibo guy. With the Oyibo. There was a bear on the side of his barber shop that said Oyibo.
That's not true. Hello guys, good morning. So today we are going on safari. It's our week 1, like day 7 in the Gambia. And today we are going on the safari in Fatala. It's called Fatala Safari.
Where you can do fetal things.
So we're going to be walking with the lions, we're going to see the giraffes and all the wide animals. So we'll take you guys along, of course. It's actually in Senegal. We are in Gambia right now. It's a border between Gambia and Senegal. So it's a full day trip. And we'll take you guys along, of course. Just all the fun. This is what I'm wearing.
That's why we need 5 extra suitcases.
That's why we brought 5 suitcases.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hi guys, good morning. We are still live in Gambia. Yeah, we are still live in Gambia, and it's a bit foggy this morning, not so bright, but it's gonna get very hot. Yesterday was 38 degrees. Can you imagine? It was very warm. And today we are going for safari. We are going to a neighboring country, that's Senegal. We are going to Senegal. It's called Fatala Reserve. Safari Reserve. Yeah, Fatala is in Senegal, the border between Gambia and Senegal. So we'll take you guys along, of course. It's early morning because it's a full day. We are going to cross the Atlantic Ocean on a boat, guys, on a boat. So I'm wishing for a favor. I hope I don't drown. I hope we don't drown. Even if I started learning how to swim, I'm not that very good yet. I'm going to take you guys along. We are going for breakfast now. I'm just going to pack it because we are running late. And yeah, I'm just wearing something, a jumpsuit, light one and airy. Let me show you guys. Now my glasses is on. We're ready. I'm going to take a jacket because it might get chilly. And when the jacket is hot, I'm going to remove the jacket. So they're off. I have my passport. Everything is set here for the border check and everything. We have a tour guide who's driving us there. Yeah. Have you guys seen my face since I've been in Gambia? Popping. My face has been popping. Like the skin is skinny. It's giving in Gambia. Maybe I should stay here. It was just last night I noticed this little thing on my lip. Maybe I want to have malaria or something. I don't know. But there's hardly. I didn't see any mosquito, but I just still sprayed the insecticide. So I go eat breakfast now. And yeah. How do I look, guys? We take you guys along, of course. It's always nice. There we go. And you can still push it forward if you are not. Hi guys, so we're on our way to the ferry. We're at the seaside. We are going to enter a boat, not this big one, but we'll see. where the boat is leading us to. One is fully packed. Are you scared, babe?
Huh?
Because you can swim.
Well, if you add up in the moment of there, it doesn't matter.
This is the Atlantic Ocean, guys, and we're about to cross on a boat.
Oh,
What ocean is this? It's the Atlantic.
well, I think it's the end of
The end of the Gambia River, but it's the Atlantic
the
Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean should be somewhere there, or not? Yeah.
I'm not going to enter without a life jacket. So that one is for sure. See, that old man is scared already.
Eh?
See that old man, they are carrying him. Oh, they need to carry us into the water. Oh, wow, they will carry us like that. So we need to, wow. Why can't the boat come out more? Wow. Wow. Hello. Wow. I'm going to wear a life jacket.
How are you?
Babe, you know how to check if a life jacket is working fine. We buy a new one, or we get a new one. I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to use the one that is kaput. So please check for me. Don't say it's not working fine. That's what just happened in Nigeria. Don't say it's all working fine. You know how to check it. It's not the matter of discussion right now. The discussion is you check it. You know how to check a new one. I'm not using all these ones that are deflating. Just check it. Thank you.
There's a float on the side.
Right here now, we're about to cross the other side of the Atlantic Ocean from Gambia to Senegal. Of course, we'll be wearing the life jacket, but they'll be carrying us. I'm going to remove my hat, my shoes. They will carry us, lift us up. So I can't film from here till we get to the boat again. Wish us luck. I pray for safety. But of course, we are going to wear life jackets. Because 30 minutes in the, you see the way they carry you. See the way they carry you. Not yet. See the way they will carry you into the water. Thank God they did not even carry a box. They carry you with a box. You will walk in that water. They will carry me. Let me remove my shoes and my hat and keep my phone.
Okay, this is for you.
Yeah.
Good.
Is it working fine?
Yes.
Give me a new one. Find one. Neat one.
This one is good for you.
Is it working fine?
Yes. Oh, you take that one. Take that one. Yes, for you is good. Okay, big one.
Are we paying for it?
No. If someone carried you at the boat, you should pay that money.
You pay the person that carries you. How much do you pay the person?
Anyone do you have your heart should be given. No problem. Nobody here.
Okay.
This was not safe. Okay. Close the bag. And then your phone, if you enter the boat, put your phone under your bag.
In the back.
Close it until you arrive at Para. That's the safest. Saya film mau dugal. Yang dugal sih kan?
Ido is being carried. Yeah. What's the I'll drop the phone now. The water. We are going to be moving now. Lifeguard is there, right? There's lifeguard. You can dive. Are there divers?
They don't need to dance.
I would like to be sitting in the middle, babe. Babe, why not put me in the middle? Honestly, I should be in the middle, not at the edge.
Yeah, also. Babe, how scared are you?
90%.
90%.
We're on the Atlantic motion, guys.
Oh.
We are hoping to arrive safely. We'll be on it for 30 minutes. So hopefully this is not our last video.
Yeah, won't be.
We'll be safe. We are going to Senegal from Gambia. So please wish us luck, guys. Wish us luck. We are on life jacket, and everybody on life jacket. Yeah, we are still alive. It's 20 minutes later. We are almost at the other side. It's in a bit bumpy, but not so far. I can't film. Obi's holding the phone, but we are still here on the water. I'll show them the water. Yeah, guys, we arrived safely. See, yeah,
Also, Yoruba.
25 minutes to arrive. Thank you. Okay, this is safari. Thank you.
And later I don't call beer for you.
Thank you. We don't have any kids.
No, because you are going to I have the books and kids. I have to give money to them.
Which kids?
At the Gambian border. You're going to give them money. That's what we do here. You know the place is going to pass on places at the border. You
How much is the sweet then?
200 for the
No,
call beer.
it's 100.
No, give me 1 thing.
It's 100.
Give me 100. I give me 100. Give me 100.
Just one is enough. One is enough. Babe, give me 100.
Hello,
The one at the back.
Hello.
Tumilowo, my brother. Eshegan. Bye bye. You have your bag, babe.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are in the safari. We're going for the safari. Hey, that was an experience, guys. Hey, thank God we did not die. We are safe now. We're in the tour circuit.
Don't tell me you brought that chicken.
Yes, yes.
Oh my God.
This is Senegal, I think so. Horace Mission, something. European, in support of European Union. So we are in Senegal. Not yet.
Do the border.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are at the Gambian border. We want to change the lassie to Sefa. So we are going to where they change it. That's the environment there. That's our truck. So I got some Sefa.
So how much is
1,000. I was able to get 8,000, 9,000. We 1,000 the lassie.
okay.
I was able to get 9,000 Sefa.
Okay.
Mind your head, please, yeah?
Thank you. So we are going. He said if you want to go for the lion walk, it's 2,005. How much is the lion?
2,005.
The lassie or Sefa?
Dallas.
2,005 the lassie for the lion walk. What about for the safari?
I don't know about.
Funny enough, on the boat, I wasn't super scared. Because I was with you, I wasn't like super scared.
Oh, that's so nice.
And the fact that I had the life jacket on.
Yeah.
And you were holding me. But when the waves were like,
Yeah.
I was a bit scared. But my heart was no panic. You get this thing on your mouth. You get it.
Oh,
Okay, they are military. Okay,
Yeah,
this is
put on
border.
you're not alone.
Yeah, we're at the border. Welcome to Adalia Custom. Hi guys, so we're at the border between Gambia and Senegal. We're at the customs. We're going to sort the passport thing. The guard that is coming with us. So going to sort that out. Then proceed to the safari. We'll be taking you guys along. Later. Has it been good? Have you been having fun?
Yeah, I've been having fun. It was really good.
This is Senegal, guys. This is Senegal. Okay, this is the police stop. Good afternoon. Eh? Fatala. Good afternoon, sir. Fatala. Yes, sir. My yellow fever, yes. It's also coming here, or just me?
Just you.
Oh. Sorry, but it's ECOWAS passport. Why? 5,000. Steadfast. So guys, they scan my passport. I had to pay. Thank you. Hi guys, we're just about to cross the border. Even in Senegal, our passport is not valid. They're allowed to pass freely without paying anything. I had to pay 5,000 cefas, which is about $500. $500 is about 6 or 7 euros. That's what we just paid for them to stamp my passport. Also, when we're entering into Gambia, we had to pay $20 each for security, like visa on arrival stamp, which is fine. But I just feel because we're ECOWAS, we should be able to get it for free. But they said that's the Senegalese law. But it's all good. We are just leaving the border now. Your own passport is stronger. When I change my passport to European passport, then all of a sudden everything will be fine. It's really bad. Thank God I changed that money. I knew it.
Otherwise they would have taken the last one.
So is this something you encounter?
Like what?
For a black person, anybody with an ECOWAS passport to still be paying that money?
You can see the difference between the Gambia and Senegal.
No, even Gambia asked us for $20 when we came in.
That's the airport.
We pay at the airport.
Yeah, that's not even we pay.
Okay.
That's a fee to the airport.
Okay.
Even today I travel out and I come, I'll pay.
So you are not aware of this money? You didn't know before?
It shouldn't be done. You understand? Okay, by ECOWAS, someone having an ECOWAS passport, you shouldn't ask him for any payment.
You shouldn't ask for any payment because that's what we all have as ECOWAS community, and we are even the leader of the ECOWAS.
Gambia, they just stamp it.
Maybe Senegal now left ECOWAS.
Because I don't understand. We are the leaders of the ECOWAS. There should be a little bit of respect for the Nigerian passport.
The point you don't understand is Senegal is quite different from Senegal. Very different.
It's really bad, honestly. Of course, now if you don't pay, they won't allow you to
go back.
I was telling him, he said we don't need money. I said let's change money. We don't know what will happen when we go there. Even if it's water, even if it's let us hold something. Thank God I changed that 1,000.
Yeah, otherwise they would have taken the last one.
Yeah, otherwise you will be using the last one.
We will use the last one, of course.
That's a fee to the airport. Today I travel out